Opening scene. Visuals of digital devices, cybersecurity symbols, and hackers. Welcome to the Future Files, where we explore the latest advancements in technology and their impact on our digital lives. In this episode, we delve into the critical topic of cybersecurity in the digital age. Join me as we uncover the emerging threats, encryption technologies, and strategies that are essential for protecting our future from cyber threats. Visuals representing cyber attacks, data breaches, and encryption technologies. As our world becomes increasingly interconnected, the importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. Let's explore the growing threats we face and the technologies and strategies that can safeguard our digital infrastructure. Segment 1. The growing cyber threat landscape. Cyber threats are constantly evolving. Let's shed light on the various types of cyber attacks and the impact they can have on individuals, organizations, and even nations. Visuals of phishing attempts, malware attacks, and ransomware incidents. From phishing scams to malware attacks and ransomware incidents, cyber threats can disrupt our lives and compromise sensitive information. We'll discuss the implications of these threats and the need for robust cybersecurity measures. Segment 2. Encryption technologies and secure communication. Encryption technologies play a crucial role in protecting our data and communication. Let's explore how encryption works and its importance in maintaining digital security. Visuals of encryption algorithms, secure communication protocols, and data encryption processes. Encryption technologies ensure that our data remains confidential and secure. We'll delve into how encryption works, including encryption algorithms and secure communication protocols, and discuss their significance in safeguarding sensitive information. Segment 3. Cybersecurity strategies and best practices. Effective cybersecurity requires a proactive approach. Let's discuss strategies and best practices that individuals, organizations, and governments can adopt to mitigate cyber risks. Visuals of cybersecurity frameworks, employee training, and incident response plans. From implementing cybersecurity frameworks to providing employee training and developing robust incident response plans, there are various strategies that can enhance our cyber defenses. We'll explore these strategies and highlight the importance of collaboration and information sharing. Segment 4. Securing the future, emerging technologies and innovations. As technology advances, so do the tools and techniques used by cybercriminals. Let's explore emerging technologies and innovations that can help secure our digital future. Visuals of AI-driven cybersecurity, blockchain applications, and biometric authentication. Artificial intelligence-driven cybersecurity, blockchain applications, and biometric authentication are just a few of the emerging technologies that hold promise in enhancing our cybersecurity defenses. We'll delve into these innovations and their potential impact on the future of cybersecurity. Segment 5. Promoting cybersecurity awareness and education. Cybersecurity is a collective responsibility. Let's discuss the importance of promoting cybersecurity awareness and education at all levels, from individuals to organizations and governments. Visuals representing cybersecurity awareness campaigns, educational initiatives, and collaborative partnerships. By promoting cybersecurity awareness and education, we empower individuals to make informed decisions and cultivate a culture of cybersecurity. We'll explore the significance of educational initiatives, public-private partnerships, and global collaborations in building a secure digital future. And that concludes our exploration of cybersecurity in the digital age. Remember, we all play a role in protecting our future from cyber threats. Join us next time on the Future Files as we continue to unlock the mysteries of tomorrow, exploring the cutting-edge technologies and visionary ideas that will shape the landscape of cybersecurity. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of cybersecurity. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes of the Future Files.